Welcome to my channel. Hi, are you Anaya? I am Arav. Nice to finally meet you in person. Hi Arav. Yes, it's nice to meet you too. The weather is perfect today, isn't it? Absolutely. I guess it's a good sign for a fresh beginning. Maybe it is. So do you come here often? Sometimes, mostly for morning walks. What about you? I like peaceful places like this. It helps me think. That's nice. I wanted to ask, what kind of partner are you hoping for? Sometime honest, calm, and who respects family values. You? Pretty much the same. I believe marriage grows with friendship. I agree. Maybe we can start with that today.